Welcome back, Elixiers. Long time no see. Let's move on to our 6th chapter. That is, learn CSS Flexbox by building a photo gallery. What's the use of Flexbox, you ask? Well, Flexbox helps you design your web page so that it looks good on any screen size. So let's use Flexbox to build a responsive photo gallery web page. A gallery full of cat photos, huh? Looks like FreeCodeCampers are obsessed with cats. Anyway, it's a simple project, so let's start coding. Begin with same old initial rituals, but they call it HTML boilerplate. A document type declaration, an HTML element with language set to English, then goes your head, your body, etc. Step 2. Within our head element, let's add a meta tag with the name set to viewport and the content set to width equals device width and initial scale is 1. Another meta tag with the character set with the value set as UTF-8. Step 3. Also within our head element, let's add title element with the text set to photo gallery and a link element to add ustyles.css file to the page. Step 4. Now we gotta add a header element within our body element and give it a class of header. Inside that header element, let's add h1 element with the text as CSS Flexbox photo gallery. Step 5. Below our header element, let's add a division element and assign its class as gallery. The division element will act as a container for the gallery images. Inside that gallery element, we gotta add 9 image elements. Step 6. Okay, we gotta paste that link to all 9 image tags and just change the image numbers from 1 to 9. Step 7. Okay, now we gotta add border to learn and visualize how our elements are sized. Let's give our gallery class a width of 50% and a border set to 5 pixels, solid red. Then give our image elements a width of 100%, padding set to 5 pixels, and border set to 5 pixels, solid blue. You'll see the container as red and image border as blue. Step 8. Blue image border extends beyond the red gallery container border. This is due to the way browsers calculate the size of the container by default. The default value of box sizing is set to content box model, but they asked us to type the same default value within the global selector. Step 9. Now let's replace content box model to border box model, which shrinks the content of the element to make room for the padding and the border. Now you can notice how our blue image borders now fit within our red gallery border. Step 10. Now we know how box sizing works. Let's clean up our styles.css file. Alright folks, that was all for today. Hope you guys like, share, comment on my videos. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out any updates. Stay tuned for further steps and chapters. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.